Are you frustrated because every time you search for something in Chrome, it shows Yahoo results instead of Google? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch your Chrome search engine back to Google if it's switched to Yahoo, so your searches work exactly how you want. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to fix this for good and get your browsing experience back on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you already have it open, that's great. Otherwise, just find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar, give it a click, and let it load up. All the changes we'll be making are done from right inside Chrome, so you don't need to download anything extra or mess around with any complicated settings. Next, look to the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 little dots stacked on top of each other. Those dots are your gateway to Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. If you've never explored these options before, don't worry. You're just one step away from the Settings menu where we'll make the fix. From the menu that pops up, find and click on Settings. It's usually closer to the bottom of that drop-down list. When you click Settings, Chrome will open a new tab with all sorts of options to customize your browser. It's all organized on the left, and we're going to focus on the section called Search Engine. Take a moment and look to the left-hand sidebar. There should be a tab or section labeled Search Engine. Click on that. This is where you control what search provider Chrome uses automatically when you start typing in the address bar. There's a big difference between typing a web address and searching. A lot of times, folks don't realize their browser is using a different provider until those Yahoo results pop up. So, this part is crucial. Now, if your search engine is set to Yahoo Philippines, or maybe just Yahoo by default, that will be listed right there in the main options. You'll see a drop-down menu next to Search Engine used in the address bar. If it says Yahoo Philippines, that's why you're getting unexpected results. All you need to do is click on that drop-down. From the list that appears, go ahead and select Google. This will make Google your default search engine. It's that simple. But before you close out, make sure to click Set as Default. Sometimes Chrome needs that extra confirmation, especially if it was switched by an extension or after a recent update. This button locks in your preference and tells Chrome to use Google for all your future searches. And that's it. You've just switched your search engine back to Google. Your searches should now pull up Google results just like you'd expect. If it doesn't update straight away, just close Chrome and open it again. Sometimes it takes a little refresh for the change to take effect. So there you go, a quick and easy fix to get rid of unwanted Yahoo search results in Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, just drop a comment below. I check those regularly and I'm always happy to help out. For more easy fixes and browser tutorials just like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.